You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these name once and for all correctly. Originally famous for being the name of a town in England, but that's also the name of a city in North Carolina in the United States, a beach in England too. So there are different things. The British English pronunciation in the UK, Southport. Southport. Easy. Now in the US, as in NC, Southport. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.